Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, bringing on the man, myth, the legend, Adam Abazian. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing great. Beautiful Monday. Thanks for having me, Mike.
Absolutely. So folks may not know Adam. Adam is a part of the Hub, which is an office building I own in Fresno full of real estate investors. He and I have been partnering on some marketing and deals for years. And here recently, he has helped design a mailer for my 50-40-10 program that you've heard me talk about on this channel. I am trying to find owners with excess equity, 60% or greater. I am specifically looking for duplexes through quads. So not apartments, not houses. I'm looking to buy as many of these as I can with the 50-40-10. So Adam, again, designed this program. I went ahead and spent $1,000 mailing them out, getting them printed and mailing them out. And they are starting to be delivered. So I wanted to follow up with Adam on have we gotten any calls? Fingers crossed, but maybe not. And then where we are in the overall process, because we are going to be doing this month after month. So Adam, thank you for doing this with me. Thank you for working on this. Thank you for that. I've told you this privately. This is the best postcard I have ever seen designed.
Yeah,
housing crash, red, saying we're still buying. Simply put, I get cards every day. This is, without question, the best card I have seen in 15 years. So thank you.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Nice to hear that I can maybe do better work than the printer companies.
Yeah.
So,
but now it only matters if it works. It can be pretty and not work. So what's going on?
So right now we still have, I don't know the exact count of how many need to be delivered. They kind of said the way they structured it, it's within 5 to 20 days. And I know some are out of state, et cetera. So we got about 6 calls so far. Okay. 3 people had some interest. And I noticed that some of them kind of understood the seller financing, not to the very best extent. More of them were trying to figure out kind of, what is this? What were you offering?
Perfect.
Some of them understood kind of, okay, I understand this, but how I get these bullet points, but can you maybe break it down? Like, how would this benefit me?
Mm-hmm.
And some people were just kind of interested, but didn't really want to do the seller financing route, or more just interested in selling the place.
Yeah.
So that might take some follow-up to show them, hey, if you want top dollar, this could be one of the best routes for you.
Yeah. So my hope with all of this, and again, folks, we're doing this in real time with you. You're seeing just the muck that we go through to try to find opportunities. My hope is, Adam, obviously your number's listed on the card. I want you to qualify. I don't need that headache. You're able to qualify because, again, you could get you personally could get a referral fee or something if it's going to be listed. Lots of ways for you to make money on these. But when you find an opportunity that's going to be seller financing, right, comes to me, first right of refusal, all of that. My hope is calls ramp up. Really, the next step is you got somebody that wants to hear more. I'd love for you to set up a direct phone call between me and them. It's kind of the next, hey, let me talk to the guy that does this. He has all the experience, done millions of dollars this way. That's really what I hope the next step is as you qualify this, folks. You definitely don't have to carry the water the whole way. I have millions of dollars in loans this way. I have a Rolodex of people I send money to every week. So if you get that interested party that really wants to talk, that is the next step. I'd love for you to work with me to set up a direct phone call.
Awesome. It must be important. If they're talking to you, then I'll make sure they're needs. But I know with going through that follow-up process and making sure and screening them to make sure, are they ready to go? Do they have the motivation to be negotiated with if they're not already on the terms that we want? And, going through this business, like you said, going through the muck of people thinking they're ready and they end up not being, or the price is good and then it ends up not being. And so making sure we screen and qualify those leads probably take a little bit of time.
Yeah, of course.
To get one of those out of the blue.
Yeah.
But be awesome to set them up with the call.
I mean, that's the next step, right? Again, this is how we work together. The leads coming in, you get to disposition how you want, but there will be some, my hope is my hope of a successful program is if I have 2 meaningful phone calls. I'm not talking deals. This is a program. This is a card that I hope to send out every month for the next year. Mm-hmm. Because this is about planting seeds. This housing crash thing, dude, this thing's going to go bananas after July 20th, National Association of Realtors. We already scheduled a second drop. We're just going to hit them. And my hope is people call you and you go, Michael, this is somebody you have to talk to. It doesn't have to be a deal right then. But if somebody's like, hey, I own this, I'm free and clear, tell me about these bullets, I think you set up the call with me and we just do it that way. I think that's a great next step.
Yeah, I think people will definitely be alerted by that in the near future. And everybody's making it seem like, things are crashing. I even got a message from a buddy in Germany who sent me a picture of some stocks in the real estate market, and then people were making it seem like the world's crashing, like we, presented there too. And he was like, what in the world is going on in America? And I kind of explained to him and everything. And, but they made it seem so awful. And so once stuff starts to come into fruition and stuff, I think that postcard will really pick up. 100%.
So let's plan on it. Let's, I think we've already paid for the second drop. I think if not, let's get that planned. And, keep me informed again, folks. This is happening in real time. As I keep telling you, I do this business for real. I am trying to get the 50-40-10 to lead by example, seller financing. I'm spending marketing to do it. Props, just so it's clear, PropStream gave us the list, right? Go into PropStream. There's a link below, blah, blah, blah. Adam did the design. We used a mail house. And now Adam's phone number's on it. He's already getting calls I will spend money every month, Adam, to continue this, because I think it's that important. And I think it's going to really help you with lots of other things, but also is going to give Olivia and I a couple of deals this year and probably several more deals next year. So any other closing thoughts or questions for me on this?
No, I think the only thing is I'll try and pay attention to what the sellers are saying. So maybe you can give some feedback on what they're saying to your viewers, and maybe we can adjust the postcard from that too. Nobody understands. Maybe we're more explanatory in that postcard or whatever it might be.
Yeah, we'll tweak it slightly, but the front, as I've said to you privately, the front of this card doesn't need to change. The back, we could be a little cleaner. But hey, small tweaks, man, small tweaks. Adam, thank you very much. If somebody wanted to come see you or have questions about Fresno or what's going on, maybe come to the hub. How would you want them to reach out? Yeah, shoot me an email, which is adam@kingdominvestmentsinc.com, adam@kingdominvestmentsinc.com. I can help you out with whatever you need. I will not design postcards for you, though. No, this is me. This is me. Takes a shit ton of time, but I'll do it for myself and Mike. But I can help you out with questions, how we're doing this, setting it up, whatever it might be, or any real estate questions. So feel free to shoot me an email. Awesome, folks. Thanks, Adam. And video number 2, just a tease, we're going to talk about a seller financing deal and how I kind of evaluate it. That's video number 2. Adam, thank you very much. You got it.